Texas just launched the largest first-year school choice program in American history, $1 billion, 102,000 students awarded, and 73,000 accounts funded on July 1st. Here's the part that matters for you. Barely 2,400 vendors made the marketplace before launch. That gap is your opening. Start with Odyssey, the program manager Texas hired. Apply at tefavendors.withodyssey.com. You'll need a business registered to operate in Texas, franchise tax good standing, and a bank account connected through Stripe. If you work with children directly, tutoring, therapy, music lessons, every staff member needs a fingerprint background check. It must be completed through the TEFA program itself. Prior checks from other jobs don't count, and academic tutors must hold a current Texas Educator Certificate. Approval typically takes 4 to 6 weeks, so start early. Set your expectations on payment. TEFA works differently from other ESA states. It's direct pay only, no reimbursements, and no vendor fees. Your products and services are pre-approved before they can be listed. Families buy from the marketplace, you confirm fulfillment, and Odyssey pays your bank on net 30 terms. Mark the calendar. Accounts receive 25% of funds in July. Another 25% lands October 1st, and the remaining half arrives February 1st. Apply now, clear the fingerprints, and be listed before the October installment hits. For the registration checklist, deadline reminders, and invoices built to Texas rules, the free tools at GetESAPaid.com are made for exactly this. Links below.